Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson, weather, seasons and climate. Fill in the blanks. Weather can dash very fast. Weather can change. Dash is the coldest time of the year. Winter. After winter, there is a short season called spring. Dash and dash are the autumn months. October and November. In the hills and mountains, the dash is cool and pleasant. The climate. Choose the correct answer. How many seasons are there? 5, 4, 7, 3. 5. In which seasons do plants start to grow? Winter, summer, autumn, spring. Spring. In which season do people like to have cold drinks? Autumn, winter, summer, the rainy season. Summer. What are the winds that bring rain called? Strong winds, rain winds, cool winds, monsoons. Monsoons. Which of these do we eat in winter? Cucumbers, cauliflowers, tomatoes, bottle gourds. Cauliflowers. Next, match the following. Winter. Spring. Summer. The rainy season. Autumn. Write true or false. Weather takes a long time to change. False. There are 5 seasons in a year. True. Rainwater is important for crops. True. Trees shed their leaves in spring. False. The climate of a place changes every day. False. Answer the following questions. What are seasons? Name the different seasons in a year. Sometimes we have similar weather for one or more months. This is called seasons. There are 5 seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, rainy season, and autumn. Okay. Next, what do people like to do in winter? In winter, people wear woolen clothes and enjoy drinking hot milk, tea, and coffee. They light fires or use room heaters to keep warm. Next, what happens to plants and trees in spring? In spring, plants begin to grow, trees get new leaves and flowers. How do people keep cool in summer? In summer, people like to stay indoors in the afternoon. They use coolers, fans, and air conditioner to cool the air inside the house. They wear cotton clothes. And people also enjoyed cold drinks like lemonade and fruit juice. They like swimming in summer. Okay. What is climate? Give 2 examples of different types of climate. If a place has similar weather for a long period of time, such as several years, it is known as climate of the place. 2 examples of different types of climates. In the hills and mountains, the climate is cool and pleasant. In plains, the climate is hot in summer and cold in winter. Okay. For this, we finished our 19th lesson, weather, seasons and climates. So tomorrow we will see the 4th standard EVS. Okay. So this is the 4th standard EVS, the world for you and me. Okay. This is tomorrow we will start this book. Okay. Thank you.